Hello folks, Todd Shaffer here, Manager of Research for VectorVest. Welcome to today's special presentation titled Surefire Success 2016. If you're familiar with our Surefire Success portfolios, you know that we developed them to offer a collection of complete trading systems that remove all the guesswork from investing and deliver phenomenal investment results. Each system provides you with a quick, precise answer for when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. We run the back tests, we perform the analysis, we develop the trading plans with one simple goal in mind: deliver to our subscribers a trading plan so likely to be successful, you'd call it Surefire. The Surefire Success system begins with our daily action plan wizard. So from our home page, if we go to our tabs up top and click the Timing tab, we'll see in the upper right corner the Surefire Success Action Plan button. Click the button to open the wizard. This is VectorVest at its easiest. If you just want to be told what to do every day, this is the black box solution you've been looking for. Simply click on the plan button, select the trading plan that we're following. In this case, we'll choose CC S&P 500 Winners Ferns Vultures. If you want to know more about the plan, simply click the link and that'll open our special report to give you more information. But here we have it, easy as 1, 2, 3, when to buy, what to buy, when to sell. When you get the signal, simply trade the top stock that you don't already own. Place a stop loss order with your brokerage. It's really just that easy. Not only are they easy, we're so confident that these systems work, we even guarantee it. Our goal is to outperform the S&P 500 on any rolling 12-month basis. If the Surefire Success portfolio of your choosing underperforms the S&P 500 during the 12-month period of your choosing, we'll extend your paid subscription for a period equal to the annual cost of your VectorVest 7 subscription, excluding any additional subscription services up to a limit of $1,295. To take advantage of the guarantee, simply attend one of our selected live events, like our upcoming event in Tampa, and prepay an annual subscription at a nice discount. You win, even if you lose. To be clear, you must take advantage of the offer during the special event. Now, as easy as the wizard is to use and execute your trading plan, if you'd like even a little more control over things, you can use the Portfolio Genius to help you manage your own Surefire Success portfolio. It's very easy. Let the Genius handle when to close positions when they've met your stop criteria, opening new positions from the search of your choice, and change trading rules based on VectorVest market timing signals. Also, using the Portfolio Genius, then you have the ability to make your own changes or tweaks to our established trading plans to personalize them for your own use. Building a plan is very easy. Let's move back into the program. Let's go back to the tabs at the top of our program, and we'll move down the row to select the Portfolios tab. We need to first create our portfolio that reflects our real trading account. So we'll click New. We'll give it a name, and perhaps we'll say My Surefire Success Portfolio. But perhaps I have $50,000 in my account, and my commission is really $7.95. Now that I've set up the portfolio with my real account parameters, it will accurately compute for me the position sizes, the number of shares to buy for each position. Coming to the bottom, I'll click OK. I have now created the portfolio, but as we see on our details screen to the right, it's not populated as I've not yet initiated a trading plan. One word of note before we move any further: to automate the trading plan does require the auto timer plugin module. So if you don't have that in your current subscription, there is a 2-week trial available for it, so you can try it out before you purchase to be able to automate the portfolio as we're going to demonstrate here. But to copy the portfolio settings as we've presented them here in our model portfolios, simply come up to the toolbar and click Settings. In our Settings window, we'll select an existing trading system, which will take us to our templates. Here we have listed now in our templates our current Surefire Success templates and our previous Surefire Success templates, even the ones that have been archived. For our example, we'll choose the S&P 500 Winners Verns Vultures trading plan. And once I've selected it, I'll confirm my selection by hitting the Select button. That will automatically populate all the trading rules for the portfolio, and I can see that currently the portfolio would be following the rules for the confirmed down signal. You can, of course, customize any of these trading rules if you simply hit the Customize Trading System button. You can modify any of the rules to your liking. Finally, we suggest the best time to start any new campaign is on a fresh signal after a market pullback. So with our settings, if I left the Genius turned on, it would automatically try to open 5 short positions from the Verns Vultures search. Turning the Genius off, I can create the portfolio by clicking Save, which establishes the trading plan in the portfolio but doesn't take any action. Just to demonstrate the action, let's turn the Genius back on. Now we'll see the Genius indicates the down situation. The streaming was enabled and it opened the 5 short positions, indicating to us the orders to place with our brokerage. It also now has established the trailing stop per the settings of the trading plan. And so it's very easy for you to execute the orders. Just keep looking at this window, and the Genius will indicate what activities you need to take. Also, in the alerts window, if you open the alerts, these alerts can come to your phone or to an email address or be in the program, so that you can be alerted no matter where you are to trading action that is suggested. And of course, finally, one of the benefits of being in the Portfolio Manager is that you do have all the reports available to you, including individual transactions, but also your performance history and your trade histories, so that you can keep track of your performance. Of course, all of this trading action will be in concert with the data feed to which you currently subscribe. We can set our mini graph to either intraday or end of day graph mode to keep track of our portfolio, and should we need to modify any of our trades, in the reports section we can look at the transaction log and edit any of the trades. So what's new for 2016? 2 new offerings we think you're going to love, developed with a whole new methodology. Instead of optimizing performance narrowly, this year we pursued a broader approach. We wanted to find solid native performance with low volatility and low drawdown. We tested portfolios of 10 and 20 stocks. We used RT Kicker combo timing. We used a 10% trailing stop holding through the down signals. We tested a period from January 2nd, 2012 to November 20th, 2015, and filtered out any results where the maximum drawdown was greater than the annualized rate of return. Those that passed the test were then put into a sliding 1-year window test where we held them for a year and staggered their beginning and end dates on a quarterly basis. Those results, we filtered out any that had an average maximum drawdown greater than 10%. Finally, we optimized them in VectorVest 7 from the date of January 3rd, 2013 to December 4th, 2015. The winners, RTC S&P 500 winners, and RTC top line growers. RTC, as you may remember, indicates the timing system involved, so the RT Kicker combo timing system and the VectorVest search involved. Let's take a look at their performance. Beginning with the RTC S&P 500 winners trading plan, Again, starting from January 3rd of 13 through December 4th of 15, we had a 62% winning trade percentage, a total gain of 69.32%, commissions of $895, an annualized rate of return of 23.77%, with a drawdown of just under 9.5%. As is so important for our Surefire Success portfolios, we recognize that they may have periods of flat action, but we always want to make sure that they come back to a higher high. That's what makes them surefire. And so even right to the end of our test period, the portfolio is able to continue to hit higher highs. Our second winner, Top Line Growers, using the same dates, had just under a 62% winning trade percentage, a 65% overall gain, commissions of $736, an annualized rate of return just over 22%, with a drawdown of about 8%. Again, the equity curve showing us continued ability to reach higher highs over the test period. So those are our two additions to the Surefire Success program. Carrying over from last year are the successful plans of the Confirmed Call S&P 500 Winners Verns Vultures portfolio, the Greenlight Buyer Safe and Sound portfolio, and the RT Kicker Combo Great Growth Stocks portfolios. To see the equity curves for all of these portfolios, let's move back into the program on the Portfolios tab. Here we have our 5 finalists for the 2016 year for the Surefire Success program, listed as the VectorVest portfolios, if we check that box. And here we can look at each of their equity curves. And again, we're looking for that performance of being able to continue to reach higher and high levels. Of course, our 3 carryover searches from the previous year include that real-time traded performance over the past year. For the details of how these portfolios are set up and traded, simply go to the VectorVest Views, open the Views Manager, and in our Special Reports utility, we can go down to the Surefire Success User's Guide, and by double-clicking it, you can download the User's Guide, which includes all of the settings for the portfolios. So that's a very helpful resource. You can also link to that user guide through the Timing tab in the Action Plan if you click on the More Information button as well. Not only does that Surefire Success User's Guide give you the settings, but it also gives you some background on the development of the trading plans. So there you have it, our Surefire Success trading portfolios for 2016. Each system provides you with quick, precise answers for when to buy, what to buy, and when to sell. We developed these plans with one thing in mind: deliver to our subscribers a trading plan so likely to be successful, you'd call it surefire.